Alright man, what's good YouTube? We're back at it again, and today we're gonna talk about the only 10 exercises you really need. By Gymaholic, that's me. That's my banner up there. Alright, let's go. Today we will talk about some upper body exercises, some lower body exercises, how to use them for your workout plan, and also included some accessory movements that you can do as well. Alright, upper body exercises, we got bench press, overhead press, barbell, BB means barbell, barbell rows, pull-ups and dips. Preferably all these three are with the barbell. And yeah, as for lower body exercises, we got the squat, the deadlift, the cleans, hip thrust and sprints. People don't really understand, but sprints are very good leg exercise. Just look around at the fastest sprinters, you know, they got incredible legs. And yeah man. Alright, how to use them for your workout plan. I got two ideas. One of them is a full body workout, which means you use your entire body. And the second one is an upper lower workout plan, which means one day you do the lower body and the next day you do the upper body. Alright, listen through it, look at it around. Okay, pause if you have to. I'ma continue now. Some accessory movements. We got for the back machine rows or lat pull downs. For the chest we got cable flies or the incline chest machine. For legs we got quad extensions or hamstring extensions. For arms, also included shoulders over here, we got lateral raises, triceps push down and bicep curls. And for abs we got abs on the cable machine or abs with the leg curls, you know, when you're hanging around and put your legs up. Yeah, that's what I mean. If you don't know what these exercises are, use Google. And yeah, also use the machines that your own gym has. And yeah man, that's about it man. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions, what other videos you want me to do. And yeah man, that's all. See ya.